Remove the cap on top of the machine and fill it with new fluid. Replace cap when filling is complete. Connect the BG MVP to shop air. Flip the service switch on the control panel to the up position. Remove the vehicle's radiator or remote tank cap. Insert the tube on the handheld dispenser into the radiator or remote tank. Press and hold button 1 to remove enough coolant to allow for adding of BG Universal Cooling System Cleaner PN540. Add cleaner to the cooling system. Replace the cap. Start the engine and bring to normal operating temperature. Set heater controls at their highest position and operate engine for 10 to 30 minutes to allow the cleaner to circulate. Shut off engine and very carefully remove the radiator or remote tank cap. Caution: to prevent being burned, follow the vehicle manufacturer's instructions for bleeding pressure before removing the radiator or remote tank cap. Insert the tube on the dispenser into the radiator or remote tank, ensuring the cone seats into the opening. Extend the tube as deep as possible into the radiator or remote tank. Start engine and ensure the service switch is in the up position. Press and hold button 1 to remove coolant from the vehicle. The hoses on the cooling system should begin to collapse and a vacuum will begin to read on the handheld gauge. Warning: do not allow engine to run longer than 3 minutes once hoses have collapsed. Failure to follow this guideline may result in engine overheating and permanent engine damage. When no more fluid can be removed, release button 1. Note: do not break the cone's vacuum seal with the vehicle when releasing button 1 and pressing button 2. Press and hold button 2 to start the flow of new coolant. The fill feature uses a small amount of pressure to push new coolant into the vehicle's cooling system. Warning: be sure to firmly press the button to prevent pressure from breaking the seal and spraying hot coolant during the filling process. When filling is complete, release button 2 to allow the system to circulate for 1 minute. Repeat the drain and fill process until the desired amount of coolant is exchanged. If the vehicle has multiple reservoirs, repeat until all coolant reservoirs have been serviced. Note: on the final fill, leave enough room to add BG Universal Supercool PN546. Add BG Universal Supercool to the cooling system at the appropriate treat ratio for the vehicle being serviced. Shut off the engine. Flip the service switch to the down position. Flip the empty switch to the up position. Insert the tube into a used coolant container and press button 1 to remove used coolant.